Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. And I just had a couple programs this afternoon for the AM, PM students. The main focus was on bullying, look at the heart first. And I love all across the campus, they have different quotes and phrases that are very inspirational. This one says, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." And that was actually one of the quotes that we talked about in today's assemblies, the one that Gandhi had mentioned, Mahatma Gandhi, be the change you want to see in this world. But he also said that you must be the change, right? So he's not just saying, if you want more kindness and love here at your school, here in Oceanside, here in California, he's not just saying be more kind if you feel like it. He's saying that we don't have a choice, right? That this is our job as human beings to show this type of love, right, to everybody around us. And the students really got that today, right? We had ages TK through 5th grade. And, again, just really talking about the need to see people like you see your best friend, for their heart before anything else, right? And our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love fully enter into here, peace, kindness, compassion, we can turn this into this peace sign, right? Heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let all that love penetrate into here, we can then turn it into the peace sign. The reason that it's two is because one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat that person, hopefully with love. But it's also two because in just 2 seconds, one heartbeat, one breath, one word, one action, one text, one DM, one comment, virtually or in person, we can say something so kind that we can uplift someone high as the clouds, that it stays on their heart in a positive way for the rest of their life. Or conversely, we can say something so mean and negative that it stays on their heart in a terrible way, a bad way for the rest of their life. And we have this opportunity, right, to uplift or to tear down, right, to use our power, our influence to either build people up or again hurt them, right? And so we want to always make sure that we're trying to include everyone, to open our heart to everyone. And no matter what we're going through or have gone through or will go through, that we can always turn hurt people who hurt people, the biggest reason that I see why bullying happens, into healed people who heal people. We want to choose to become those healed people that are going to go and help others around us. And so through a series of heartfelt stories today, some inspirational videos, some positive music, the students really got that. Right? They said, "Mr. Peace, something really touched my heart." They shared a personal story of maybe loss or something that they've been through that's really difficult in their lives. And it made them angry at first and bitter, but they realized the best way they can honor that person's legacy who's gone before them, make them proud, make them happy, is by how they live, right? Through their actions, through their words, right? That they can hopefully start to leave a lasting impact, a positive one on the people around them, not just here at this school, but throughout their lives, within their families, in their communities, and go out and then really truly be that change they want to see in this world, right? Go and lead that change. And so it's so encouraging to see our young people knowing that even at a young age, they have the power to make a difference. You look at this buddy bench too, they have right here at the school, and I actually share a story that's related to this too. And it's so cool because when we're talking about trying to include others, that might need a friend, that might need more love, for them to have the courage to even sit on that bench and then seek out somebody that they can play with, that can maybe become a potential best friend, that's not easy, right? Because a lot of people that might sit on here, maybe they've had their heart hurt before from bullying. But then if they're able to reopen that, which is not an easy thing to do, but now there's a potential to meet a new future friend, an amazing friend, a best friend. And to know that, again, we can all really make this place, this environment, here at Empresa, here in Oceanside, make it a very welcoming atmosphere, a place where everybody feels safe, loved, and celebrated. That's up to each and every one of the people that attend this school, but also, that it doesn't necessarily take the entirety of people doing it, but if we can create a, big enough surge among a lot of people that are believing this, that see that we need to see people for their heart first, it starts to kind of change the culture, right? It starts to change the climate. That's also understanding that we need to see people for this too. The M on all of our hands, I traced one of mine here, but with the lines of our hands on our palms, we have at least one M on each of our hands. Sometimes a faint line connects it. And this M, like the shirt here, says it stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this, and then we have to go out and help others that maybe don't believe that or have never been told that or need a reminder of that, to help them see that they are beautiful just the way that they are too. So again, just a beautiful afternoon, despite being a little bit cloudy today. The sun was definitely shining in our hearts. So thank you again for the opportunity to come and share my hearts. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that, and never stop shining your light and love. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again soon. Until then though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. Feel free to also check out this playlist for some additional motivation. You can also visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.